Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your Instagram pronouns. To do this, you just need to go to your Instagram, enter to your profile, and after that, click on Edit Profile. After that, the third option is Pronouns. You just need to click on it. And after that, you can add like any pronoun that you want here and like delete the one that you don't want and like add whatever you want on it. And after completing, you just need to click on the tick on the top right of the screen and your pronoun will be edited successfully. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to click on the like button, and see you in the next one.